Okay, dear children, this is another JEE advanced question, numerical type, numerical or integer type. Question is, let the function f defined from closed interval 0, 1 to r be defined by f of x is equal to 4 raised to x divided by 4 raised to x plus 2. Then the value of f of 1 by 40 plus f of 2 by 40 plus etc. f of 39 by 40 minus f of 1 by 2 is dash. JEE 2020 advanced. It's a very important type question. Different in different years this type of concept asked. Last year also this type of question was asked. Okay, let us start. How we can solve this question? So it is a series. This is a question from function. Given that f of x is equal to, 4 raised to x divided by 4 raised to x plus 2. Then 4 raised to 1 by 40 plus, f of 1 by 40 plus f of 2 by 40 plus etc. plus f of 39 can be 1 minus 1 by 40. Convert 39 by 40 into 1 minus 1 by 40, and before that here it is f of 38 by 40. Again, that is also we can convert f of 1 by 2 by 40 plus x like this. F of 1 by 40, f of 1 minus 1 by 40. If it is 1 by f of x, this will be f of 1 minus x. This is f of x, then this will be f of 1 minus again 1 minus x. F of x, f of 1 minus x, f of x, f of 1 minus x form. Last term is minus f of 1 by 2. Okay, now we can club the first term and this term. F of 1 by 40 plus f of 1 minus 1 by 40. Club these two terms. What will be next? F of 2 by 40 plus the term before this term, f of 1 minus 2 by 40. Club like this. Etc. There will be one term we can't club, that is f of 20 by 40 minus f of 1 by 2. Minus f of 1 by 2. Here total there are how many terms? 1 to 39, 39 times, one more term 1 by 2 times. That is 40 times. We can cancel f of 20 by 40. F of 20 by 40 is f of 1 by 2. This f of minus 1 by 2, we cancel it. The remaining will be how much? 19 terms. Where total there are 38 terms. 2 terms will be cancelled. Total there are 38 terms. How many clubbings are there? This is one clubbing, another clubbing. So there are 19 clubbed terms. 19 clubbed terms. Total there are 19 clubbed terms. Total there are 19 clubbed terms. Okay. Given that total there are 40 terms, but this term will be cancelled. Here it is a 1 by f of 20 by 40 is there. So we can cancel. This will be 1 by 2, f of 1 by 2, f of 1 by 2, and minus f of 1 by 2 will be cancelled. Then after that we will get 38 terms. When we club these terms like this, we will get 19 clubbed terms. Okay, each clubbed terms is of the form f of x plus f of 1 minus x, f of x plus f of 1 minus x form. So given that f of x equal to 4 raised to x divided by 4 raised to x plus 2, then what is f of 1 by x? Because here each clubbed terms will be f of x plus f of 1 minus x form. So we have to find out f of 1 minus x from f of x. That is, this is equal to, you just replace x by 1 minus x. That is 4 raised to 1 minus x divided by 4 raised to 1 minus x plus 2. 4 raised to 1 minus x plus 2. Then what is f of x plus f of 1 minus x? F of x plus f, because each clubbed terms is of the form f of x plus f of 1 minus x. So this is equal to 4 raised to x divided by 4 raised to x plus 2 plus 4 raised to 1 minus x divided by 4 raised to 1 minus x plus 2. This is equal to 4 raised to x divided by 4 raised to x plus 2 plus 4 by 4 raised to x divided by 4 by 4 raised to x plus 2. This is equal to 4 raised to x divided by 4 raised to x plus 2 plus, after simplifying this term, we will get 2 divided by 4 raised to x plus 2. You just take the LCM and multiply with its reciprocal. We will get 2 divided by 4 raised to x plus 2. Denominator is same. That is 4 raised to x plus 2 divided by 4 raised to x plus 2. This is equal to 1. F of x plus f of x plus f of 1 minus x is equal to 1. From the given function, we get f of x plus f of 1 minus x is equal to 1. So what will be the answer? This will be 1, this will be 1, etc. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus etc. 19 times. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus etc. 19 times. Then what is the answer? 19. 19 is the answer. This is a very important type question. Again, you can expect this type of concepts in your coming exams. Okay. Thank you. See you again next time. Okay.